Hey everybody, my name is Carrie. My husband Dale and I are the creators of the From Seed to Spoon mobile app, and I just wanted to shoot a quick video and show you some of the new updates that we just released that focus on helping beginners get started. So the first thing that we did, whenever you come to this main screen and you go into any plants, so let's go into arugula. So whenever you pull up a plant, it'll give you all these details. And down here, whenever you see all of this information and you see these question marks over here in the corner, if you click on them, it pulls up a description. So it kind of helps explain what all of these mean. So we were getting a lot of questions like, what does number per square mean? So we would explain square foot gardening. So we put this all and built this all into the app to help make it just a little bit easier, make sure you guys understood what all of these tabs were for. And we'll go through, explain all of the things that we do. Oh, and this container size. So we use a lot of smart pots in our garden. We love them. They're super easy to start with. And I mean, if we were starting over and doing it all from the beginning, we would have definitely started with these instead of having to build all of our wooden raised beds. So we definitely recommend these for beginners. And then we actually have them in our store now. So if you go down here, you can hit shop and you can actually purchase them through us also. The other thing that we did was down here in the articles tab where we have the blog posts. We have this getting started tab over here, which over here on this side, we have a lot of our favorite blog posts, which focus a lot on how to get started growing, or maybe explaining some things, just some tips and tricks that we've learned along the way whenever we started. So how to start growing your own food in 4 easy steps, how to know where to plant, what's the difference between all of the different seasons of planting, and talking about hardening off seedlings. I mean, you get the idea. Everything that we've learned that it's really important for beginners to learn about. So it's all right there, all in one place.